It's understandable to feel frustrated over tooth loss. Your restoration options include dentures and dental implants. How do you know which is right for you? Dentures are removable devices for your mouth. They replace missing teeth as well as some of the gum tissue. A dental implant is a titanium post that is inserted into the jawbone. Dental implants replicate the root of a natural tooth. This is a more permanent solution to replace a missing tooth. Dental implants have better than a 95% success rate. They are very easy to care for as regular teeth. Implants preserve the integrity of your facial structure and jaw bones. Just like regular teeth, implants allow the bone to continue to grow. While weighing your options, it's a good idea to talk to your dentist. Learn more by visiting our website.